Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Happy New Year to everyone. We had a wet, once again, New Year weekend, much like the Christmas weekend, but boy, not a bad day today. Once the clouds cleared out, we did see some blue sky out there as we take a look outside our weather window from our Wenatchee Heights tower camera. And what a gorgeous shot. Still some low-hanging clouds at mid-afternoon with the Cascades poking through. And as I mentioned, that blue sky out there allowed our temperatures to climb a little bit today above where we should be. But coming up, we'll talk about that in a second, some snow to talk about. But first, let's recap what our weather looked like in 2025. Our average temperature, 53.9, almost 54 degrees. Our second warmest in history. Our warmest day, 103 degrees. That was back on July 13th. And the number of days above 90 degrees, 42 of them last year. Our normal number is 35. We did pick up 7.16 inches of precip, and that ended up being about 7/10 below where we should be as far as normal precip goes. Our coldest temperature, by the way, was on February 12th and 13th at 7 degrees. And boy, we haven't been close to that. Boy, our low temperatures lately have been in the 30s. Okay, as far as that snow goes, big storm system moving in tonight. Another will move in Wednesday night. And look at some of these snow totals day after day. Tuesday up to a foot in both Snoqualmie and Stevens, and that goes for both Wednesday and Thursday as well. Blewett Pass, not quite as much, maybe 5 to 10 inches of snow by the time we get into Friday, but I'll tell you what, Snoqualmie and Stevens could see over 3 feet of snow over the next couple of days, so be extra careful traveling west over those mountain passes. Today's high temperature unofficially 36 degrees, 32 is our normal high, 33 our low temperature this morning, higher than our normal high. Our normal low temperature is 23 degrees, 50 our record high on this date, and that was set back in 1962. Our record low, 8 below zero, set in 2004. No new precipitation today, but we did pick up 1/4 of an inch since January 1st, so that gets us at 1/4 for that time, and that's about 1/10 above where we should be. Sunrise 7:48, and the sun set at 4:25. Getting you into your Tuesday weather, things look pretty nice, actually, other than the rain and snow that will move in a little bit later on. 40 degrees for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 39 in Quincy, 38 for both Ellensburg and Wenatchee, and then a lot of 37s. Cashmere, Entiat, Chelan, up into Omak. Cool spot tomorrow, Lake Wenatchee with a high temperature of 35 degrees. Tonight we expect mostly cloudy skies. A bit of a trough of low pressure just off the coast will bring those clouds in. Showers not so much tonight. They'll still be in western British Columbia. Expect cool temperatures, lows tonight in the upper 20s. For Tuesday, here's that trough right in Washington State. We'll see about a 60% chance of rain mixed with snow, and this lighter green color means heavy rain, and we could see that as well on Tuesday. High temperatures tomorrow into the upper 30s. For your Wednesday, cloudy skies. That trough still stays in place in southern Washington State, and that's still going to kick off plenty of shower activity on Wednesday. About a 40% chance, I think, all rain for Wednesday. High temperatures near 40 for Thursday. As our area of low pressure pushes into the Dakotas, high pressure off the coast of California will begin to take control of our weather, but not before we see about a 30% chance for rain mixed with snow on Thursday. High temperatures right around that 40-degree mark, and then by Friday and into the weekend, boy, it looks very un-January-like. Partly cloudy and dry Friday and warmer. High temperatures climbing into the low 40s as we end our work week. And boy, you can see that big ridge of high pressure over us. Not much is going to change. The good news for our weekend, partly cloudy skies on Saturday. Most of the cloudiness will be in western Washington. Going to be nice and mild again with high temperatures in the low 40s. And as we end our weekend on Sunday, not much change to tell you about. Mostly cloudy skies though. That big area of high pressure all the way down into Utah. But we will see a mix of high clouds and some mid-level clouds on Sunday, but it's still going to be mild with high temperatures in the low 40s. All right, let's take a look at your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. Tonight, 29 our overnight low, a 60% chance for a rain-snow mix tomorrow, 38 degrees. Remember, through this entire period, heavy mountain snow is possible in the Cascades. 39 Wednesday, 40 on Thursday, and then our weather for January gets really nice. Partly cloudy skies for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with high temperatures generally in the low 40s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.